Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am absolutely in love with these super soft and comfortable pants. These are from UEU, and if you're looking for pants that will go from day wear, from exercise, and can actually be worn out, you will love these pants as well. So I love these pants because they have a beautiful, really roomy, wide bottom. They are high-waisted, so they stay on really securely. They have pockets, which are also really roomy to put things in. But what I really like about them is that it has that slit at the bottom. So you have really wide, generous, wide leg. But you can knot the bottom and make these into like a Palazzo style pant. When I'm exercising, I have a lot of exercise I might do where I really don't mind the wide legs because it makes you feel like you can just move and flow with these pants. But then if you're doing a little bit more intense workout, you could easily switch it out and tie these at the bottom. These pants are super, super soft. The fabric is just so comfy that you could really wear them anytime. They wash really well and dry well. I did hang them outside to dry as I do with most of my pants, but they came out really nicely. They don't have any lint or anything on them, but rather they just continue to have that really soft, wonderful fabric. If you're looking for the perfect comfy and roomy pant, go for these. They are really nice with that high waist and with that super soft and really flowy fabric. And that's my point of view.